The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey, in conjunction with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. An extremely powerful earthquake with a magnitude of 8.3 has rocked the city of Fresno at around 2:34 p.m., Pacific Standard Time. This earthquake has caused major destruction to homes, buildings, and vehicles in the city of Fresno and surrounding suburbs. In addition, it is possible that this earthquake might have triggered a possible eruption of the Long Valley supervolcano, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. All residents of the city of Fresno are advised to prepare in case an eruption occurs. A voluntary evacuation order is now in order for all residents. If you wish to evacuate, you may do so immediately. Grab all of your family members and evacuate as far away as possible. Please stay tuned to local station or media outlets as more updates will follow as information becomes available.
following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey, in conjunction with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. A volcano warning is now in effect for all residents within a 500-mile radius of the Long Valley supervolcano. At around 2:34 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, an earthquake with an 8.3 magnitude struck the city of Fresno and surrounding suburbs. At approximately 3:35 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the United States Geological Survey made the disturbing discovery that due to this massive earthquake, the Long Valley supervolcano will erupt within the next 24 hours. This is an extremely dangerous situation and should not be ignored. All residents within the mentioned radius of the Long Valley supervolcano are advised to immediately evacuate. Grab all of the people in your home and gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a flashlight, a first aid kit, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio with extra batteries. When evacuating, make sure you tie a white towel or cloth to a visible part of your house to notify your local civil authorities that you have evacuated. Evacuate the area in a safe and swift manner. Do not pick up any relatives from schools, hospitals, or nursing homes. These facilities already have their own evacuation procedures. Repeating, an earthquake has struck the city of Fresno, which has resulted in the imminent eruption of the Long Valley supervolcano within the next 24 hours. To protect your life, evacuate now. Repeating, evacuate now. Please stay tuned to local station and media outlets for more information on this extremely dangerous situation.